So children, today I'll take English for LKG. English for LKG. Okay children. So before LKG we learned about what children? Yes. So we learned about uses of water. We learned about uses of water. So what is the uses of water children? The uses of water: we drink, we bathing, we washing clothes. Okay children? Yes. Ready? Let's get started children. Uses of water. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. So second one is washing hands. Washing hands. So third one is brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. So next, bathing. Okay children, bathing. And next, cooking. And fifth one, watering plant. W-A-T-R-I-N-G, watering plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. So sixth one, washing clothes. Washing clothes. Okay children, so uses of water. So this is drinking. So drinking water, that is uses of water. So washing hands. So next, brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, watering plants. So plants also need water children. Okay. So washing clothes. So water is very important for life. So every work is water. So for drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, watering and washing hands. Animals and human beings need a water. Water is very important for life. So water, this all work will do for water. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Washing hands, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Brushing teeth, B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, brushing, T-E-E-T-H, brushing teeth. Bathing, B-A-T-H-E-I-N-G, bathing. Cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Watering plants. So children, plants also need water. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering. P-L-A-N-T, plant, watering plant. Washing clothes, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, washing clothes. So uses of water. Okay children? Yes. So now children, everyone take out English classwork books. Yes. So write both letters. Both letters means small letters and big letters. Okay children? So everyone take out English classwork book, sharpen your pencil, take out eraser, everything children. Okay? So we'll write both letters. Big A, small a. Big Z, small z. Ready children? Yes. Yes. So ready, children? Okay. Big A, small a, big Z to small z. So ready? Big A. Everyone take out your class book and write neatly. Small b, big B, small b, big C, small c, big D, small d, big E. Very big. Kaushal ఉంది కదా, Kaushal కి చెప్పు. So write neatly, children. Big A, small a, big B, small b, big C, small c, big D, small d, big E, small e. So big F, small f, big G, small g, big H, small h, big I, small I, big J, small j, big K, small k, big L, small l, big M, small m. Yes, children. So small f, big G, small g, big H, small h, big I, small I, big J, small j, big K, small k, big L, small l, big M, small m, big N, small n, big O, small o, big P, small p, big Q, small q, big R, small r, big S, small s, big T, small t, big U, small u, big V, small v, big W, small w, big X, small x. So big Y, small y, big Z, small z. So children, write neatly in your class book now one time, children. Okay? So you have homework A to Z. Write 3 times in your homework book. Okay, children, 3 times homework. Both letters, big letter to small letters. Both letters, you write homework 3 times in your homework book. Okay, children. So now, children, everyone take out your English textbook, Little Learner textbook. Open, children. Yes, open, children, Little Learner textbook. So page number 66. Page number 60. Hello letter P. Yes, children, hello letter P. Trace with your finger, name the picture. Trace your finger, children. P. Big P, small p. Big P, small p. P for, yes, P for pan, P for pencil, P for parrot, P for pot, sorry, P for potato, P for potato, P for pillow, and P for peacock. So this is a P. P for pan, P for pencil, P for parrot, P for peacock, P for potato, P for pillow. Next, children, page number 6. Complete the peacock. Color its feather in blue and green. So, children, here complete the peacock. Color its feather in blue and green. So, already here one peacock gave, children. So, we'll here color feather blue and green color, children. Okay, ready? Yes. Yes, children, ready? Now, first we'll do green color. Yes, children, now first we'll do green color. Ready, children? Yes. So, do neatly, children. Yes, children. So now green color first. So next blue color. Okay. So peacock is different color, children. So blue and green. Yes. See, children, peacock is ready. So next P. Yes, children. So we'll here trace and write P letter. P. P for peacock. P for peacock. P for peacock. Okay, children. So here peacock is ready. It's look very beautiful. Okay. So next, children. Hello letter R. Hello letter R. R for rat. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for room. And R for ring. R for ring. R for rocket. And R for rainbow. See, children. Cross out the one out. So rabbit, ring, cheek, mouth. So where is the cross out, children? So rabbit, cheek and rat. This is same. This is domestic animals. So this is ring is wrong. So here ring is wrong. So rainbow, moon, bee, rocket. So rainbow, moon is rocket is 3 is correct. So honeybee is cross out. Okay, children. So next R. Trace and write R. 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 So turn the page. Yes, you can turn the page. So children, see here. Yes. Yes, children. See here. Paste the wheels, the correct stickers of capital and small letter. So children, here we paste small letter sticker and big letter sticker. So first U, big U. Okay children. So next small u. Okay. So big U, small u. So next children, big B, small b. Okay. So next big R, small r. Big R, small r. So big P, small p. Okay children. So next big J, small j. So car is ready children. We'll paste here wheels. Big alphabet and small alphabet. See children. Okay. Yes. So next children, write the beginning letter of the picture. So we'll here write beginning, the letter of picture. What is this children? Jar. So here we'll write beginning letter J. Yes children. So this is jar, this is vase children. So this is vase. So V. So next bear, B, beginning letter, starting letter, ring. Pan, P, butterfly, B. Okay children. V for vase, B for bear, R for ring, P for pan, and B for butterfly. So turn the page. Tear and paste waste paper to complete the picture with beginning letter. So here we'll write paste beginning letter children. Okay. Yes children. So we'll here paste with the beginning letter. Okay children. So what is this? This is a parrot. So we'll here what children? Paste beginning letter. What is this? P. So P for parrot. P for parrot. So beginning letter what children? P for parrot. So next B. B for balloon. See children, B for balloon. So next, what is this children? Jar. J for jar. J for jar. So next R. R for rabbit. So next vase. V for vase. See children. So beginning letters children. So this is P for parrot, B for balloon, J for jar, R for rabbit, and V for vase. Okay children. So next, color the picture, circle the correct letter. So we'll here color this picture children and circle the correct letter. Ready children? Yes. So next, yes children. So next, see here. So color the picture, circle the letter. So J for joker. So what is the color correct picture children? Correct letter here R P R J. So J for joker. So now coloring children. So J for joker, coloring. Okay. Do neatly coloring, children. Okay. Yes. So next one, children. PRB. So what is this, children? This is row. So circle. Sorry, children. Circle. So row. Now coloring row. R for ribbon, R for rabbit, R for rope. Yes. So next, what is this, children? What is this picture? This is umbrella. B-R-U. So what is the correct letter? U. So U for umbrella. Circle, children. So now color. Yes. So next, balloon. U-J-B. What is this letter picture, children? B for balloon. So circle. So next, color it. B for balloon. Do drawing, children. You also do neatly. Okay. B for balloon. Yes. See, children. J for joker, R for rope, R for ribbon, U for umbrella, and B for balloon. Okay, children. So next, turn the page. I can turn the picture, talk about them. So turn the picture and talk, children. Them. Come on, touch. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Everyone repeat, children. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Eat. E-A-T, eat. Touch the picture, children. You also keep finger in this picture. Touch. P-A-T, eat. Drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Play. P-L-A-Y, play. Read. R-E-A-D, read. Swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. R-U-N, run. S-I-T, sit. D-R-A-W, draw. P-A-S-T, paste. C-L-I-M-B, climb. S-K-A-T, skate. S-I-N-G, sing. D-A-N-C, dance. P-A-I-N-T, paint. K-I-C-K, kick. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Okay, children? You also read in your textbook, children. Okay? So, next. Yes, children. Turn the words, say and loudly. Sight words. Under. U-N-D-E-R, under. W-E-V-A-B-O-V-E, above. Y-O-U-U, T-H-A-T, that. T-H-I-S, these. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. I, behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. H-E, he. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-E-N, B-E-T-W-E-N, between. So children, you read this side words, children, in your textbook. Touch the finger and learn. Okay? Read this all sight words. Okay, children. So next. So these words also, children. Does the picture let us talk about I can sleep, eat, drink, play, read. This and that. I can and sight words to read these words, children. Okay, understood? Yes. So children, your English class is done. So you have homework, both letters A to Z. Okay, so write neatly in your classwork book A to Z, both letters, children. When your homework is completed, you take the photo and send me school email ID. Okay children, understood? So we'll meet you next class, children. Bye, take care.